The restaurant from the 93rd Street comes with a good, fresh, big and beautiful setup. The attention is very good with their good waiters. Like restaurant La Pesquera Jaramillo is expensive with an entrance, main course and dessert. The bill per each person will go up to 100,000 pesos. Going depth in the menu until the ingredients, we can find that the fish arrive frozen. The popular fish hamburger in the fast food menu parts of the restaurant have a history about the Bogota 30 years early. Its appearance was because of the initiative from the restaurant of bringing fish and jellyfish of the capital of the country. As they was a really exotic place, they did some demonstration and it was given to the people only for they knew what was it. And the hamburger arrived when they were looking for a snack, easy from to eat fish. Since that time, many people do very long lines only to eat the hamburger. Basic presentation and a handmade elaboration. It have a price of 6,000 pesos.